Engineered with a modular design, this makes it a truly universal and versatile infotainment option. The display and receiver can be mounted separate from each other, giving you the ability to go big with your screen, even when space behind the OEM radio you are replacing is limited. Gain total access to your smartphone's music and navigation. Kit comes with Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Google Android Auto, SiriusXM-ready, HDMI, 4 camera inputs, backup camera, side cameras, and A2DP for hands-free calling and music streaming. GPS navigation. Integrated navigation system operates without a data connection. GPS microSD card from HEIGH10 sold separately. Reduce risk and increase safety. 4 camera inputs, selectable viaduct camera mode display, turn signal for blind spot viewing or simply add a rocker switch for trailer towing, and rear camera audio inputs enables the driver to hear sound from an optional RV camera microphone. US-based customer phone and email support, complete installation guides with video and pictures included. Top reviews from the United States. Great replacement. Love the large screen. Functions are nice. I did the Ego navigation but the GPS signal keeps going in and out. May have to relocate module to a higher position.